Hello everyone, welcome to 2024. Happy New Year. What better start to the year than to give yourself a bunch of flowers? A bouquet of flowers is just so close to the heart. Let's begin making this lovely piece of jewelry. Cut 10 times 0.8 millimeters silver plated copper wire. Each one is 9 centimeters long. Turn a little curl in the end of each wire. Curl the end of all 10 of your wires. This is such an easy little pendant to make, and all you need to do is to sit quietly with a cup of tea and put your curls on the end of the wires. It's peaceful, it's easy. Let's have fun. Tap on the anvil with your metal hammer just to shine up the end of that wire on the little curl. Give each one a little tap until it's flat and shiny. Do all of them, and then we're going to go on to the next stage. You can of course use copper wire or any other wire that you fancy, and I think a copper one would look really pretty. Now we're going to bend a little curl, a full circle in the length of wire 1/3 from the top. And this is just to keep the beads in place so that they don't all roll down to the end of the wire. And also I think it adds to the floral look to have a little tendril or a vine in the middle of the beads. Again, just bend a little loop or circle, even a kink would do, just to stop those beads from rolling down to the end, or even a little blob of solder, that would work as well. Now we get to the fun part where we're going to decorate them, and this is completely up to you which beads you have. I've used cherry quartz chips and some very, very fake pearls and some little pink seed beads and some silvery grey ones. And then just decorate the top third of each wire. And when you've finished, bend a little curl at the top to stop the beads from coming away. I've had lots of beads bounce onto the floor, so I know all about keeping them in place. So you're just going to sit back again, relax, and thread all those pretty little chips and pearls and beads onto the ends of your wire. You can use anything that you have in your stock of beads and stones. So go crazy, have fun, and put on anything you like to make up this little jewel bouquet. I think it's such fun. Once you've done that, gather all the little wires together into a bundle. And then you're going to cut another piece of the wire about 16 centimeters long will do it. Tap them all in place. Put a little artistry into spreading them out like a little bouquet, and then wrap that wire around to hold your bouquet in place. I have done my best, but I wish my sister was giving me some help here because she is just brilliant at floral works and bouquets of flowers. So I would love to get her input maybe next time. Now you're just going to wrap that wire around. Finish it off with a little loop into the wires. You can conceal it or you can add something to it. Wrap it around, make a little loop there, and then I'm squeezing that whole wrap flat. So it all lies in one direction and it's going to hold all those wires together within it. And then just do a little bit more tweaking and adjusting to make it all look pretty. Once you have bent them all into a pretty shape, then you're going to use that tail and bend it into a loop back on itself, and then I've used 2 pliers to bend it into a twist. Twist the loop, twist that tail around, and this will form the bail, leaving a loop for the chain to go through. It is so sweet. Don't you just love this? Thank you so much for staying to the end of my video. Please subscribe if you would like to. And also, please take great care of yourselves. You are very special. Take care. Bye-bye.